you today? Thanks for coming to my channel. I am going to be talking about frittatas today. Soft, fluffy, delicious frittatas. I have figured out the perfect ratio of eggs to cream. So you want to stay all the way to the end so you see the perfect ratio and see how my fluffy frittata turns out. If you haven't been to my channel before, my name is Caitlin. I'm a holistic nutrition consultant. I'm the author of a blog called grassfedgirl.com. I've been healing myself with an ancestral diet, and I've been doing the carnivore diet since 2018. It has been the most helpful thing I've done. I had a baby 2 years ago, and so I've been healing from having a baby over the past 2 years, and again, the carnivore diet has been most helpful. If you love carnivore keto diet recipes and tips and tricks on how to do the carnivore diet, then please subscribe to my channel, share it with a friend, and let's get the word out about how meat heals. Let's get your ingredients ready for this recipe. First, you're gonna need 12 eggs. You're also gonna need some cheddar cheese or any kind of cheese you like. This is 2 cups, but I'm probably gonna use about 1.5 cups or so. And make sure, don't use this, use cheese that you shred yourself. But I'm just in a hurry because my baby has a babysitter, so I have to hurry up while I make these videos. And you want some cream. You don't need this is a pint, no, this is a quart. You don't need that much. Just 1.5 cups is what you're gonna need. And then you want some good salt. This is sea salt. And you need a bowl and a cup measure thing. And I got already this, about 1/2 teaspoon of salt I'm gonna put in. So that's all you're gonna need, and an oven. So you're gonna set your oven to 325. It's really important to set your oven lower than 350 because 350 is gonna make your eggs like rubbery. So that's one of the keys of getting a super soft, fluffy frittata. One more thing I forgot to mention is an 8x8. You could use a pie dish. This might be a little big for a pie pan, but this is an 8x8, kind of a Pyrex glass thing. And I'm putting a piece of parchment in there just to help it come out easier. You could spray it if you have cooking spray that is like coconut oil or avocado oil or something. Or you could put butter around it with a napkin. So whatever is easier for you, but I would put something because you don't want it to stick. So an 8x8. And you could also do this in a muffin pan if you wanted to, with little liners. So it'd be portable for work. So this is my pan. Go over here and set your oven to 325. And you're gonna cook about 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes, just depending on your oven. Okay, so we're gonna put our 12 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we're gonna add the cream. So I've got 1/2 cup here. I'm gonna add 3 1/2 cups. So 1.5 cups, 2, don't spill any, 3. So now we're going to whisk. You do need a whisk, I forgot to tell you. So you just want to get it, you could put this in the blender, it might be easier. Okay, so now you can see it's a little more combined. It's a little yellow. So make sure you put in your salt too. This is 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Cheese has a lot of salt, so you don't want to put too much salt. This is 2 cups from the bag, so I'm just going to put in almost all of it, but I'll probably leave about 1/2 cup. So that looks like about 1/2 cup. I'm just going to leave that because that's about what I made last time. So just going to mix this up a little bit, not too much. So now we have our mixture. It's ready to go. And I'm just going to pour it into the Pyrex 8x8 pan. So here we go. And that cheese, you can mix it up a little bit more there. See, that almost fills it up, so there you go. Okay, so let's take it over here to the oven. It's in the oven. and we're just gonna wait. So I'm gonna set my oven to 25 minutes, and then I'll check on it. Okay, it's beeping, so let's check it out. 25 minutes, so it looks like it needs a little more time. You want the middle to be set, so let's do 10 more minutes. So I want to make sure that you understand the ratio of eggs to cream. So every 8 eggs, you want 1 cup of cream, and that will give you a super fluffy frittata. Eggs can get rubbery and stuff, so you want to make sure you have enough cream and fat to your eggs, because eggs have a lot of protein even though they have some fat too. But so when you put a cup of cream with 8 eggs, you will have a super tasty frittata. And then of course you can add cheese on top of that, and that's your key, is your ratio. Now if you're dairy free, you could also use 1 cup of coconut milk. Make sure it's the full fat coconut milk in the can for every 8 eggs. It's been 40 minutes, still not there. So 10 more minutes. So finally, it's done. Yay! So you can see now, it's not jiggling anymore. The middle is set. Okay guys, here it is. It's very fluffy. It's very hot. As you can see, my paper is kind of sticking through, but anyway, you can see it's very fluffy. And so here I took it out of the pan, and let's try a bite. So you can see how fluffy it is. Delish. Thanks so much for watching my video about a cheesy, fluffy carnivore frittata. I really appreciate you watching today. Let me know if you use a different recipe, or you have a different ratio that you found that works, or how you make your frittata. Make sure and get my carnivore ebook. It's 182 pages, all about how to do the carnivore diet in the right way and have the best results. Get it right here at carnivore30.info. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.